A full property renovation should be one of the most exciting things you do with a building. In reality, for a lot of people, it becomes one of the most stressful, not because of the work itself, but because of everything that surrounds it. Different trades arriving at the wrong time, materials that were not ordered when they should have been, one contractor finishing late and delaying everything that follows. And when something goes wrong, nobody takes responsibility. Everyone points at someone else. The client ends up managing the project themselves, spending more time chasing tradespeople than making decisions about their own property. That's not how it should work. At TMT Central, we're a multi-trade company, which means the coordination happens internally within our own team. Plumbing, electrical, carpentry, tiling, painting, and decorating all handled by one company with one point of contact for you throughout. Every renovation project begins with a site visit and a detailed written proposal, fully itemized so you know exactly what's covered, how we'll approach the work, and what the investment involves before anything starts. We offer a free initial consultation, so there's no risk in starting that conversation. Throughout the project, our admin team keeps you informed. If anything changes, you hear about it from us, not after the fact. We document every stage and we only close a job when you're satisfied with the result. We work with residential homeowners undertaking significant refurbishments, as well as managing agents, landlords, and commercial clients who need a reliable, accountable partner for larger scale works. The difference between a renovation that runs smoothly and one that doesn't almost always comes down to who is taking overall responsibility. If you're planning a renovation, whether it's a single flat, a house, or a commercial space, and you want to understand how we would approach it, we'd welcome that conversation. Get in touch to arrange a free consultation visit. We'll come to your property, listen to what you want to achieve, and give you an honest view of what's involved.